Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Well, today we in January, but I don't like to wait until the spring hit to start the work. So I already start laying out the garden. I already start creating the trench where to take the water away from the plants. So this is the trench going around here. I already start digging the trench. I ain't finished as yet, but this trench is basically for take the water from around this area, because when you allow the water to rush through your garden, it washing away the compost, the manure, whatever you put around your plant. So it's very important to have a trench to direct the water away from your garden. As you can see, all going down here, I have a trench as well going in here. I have a trench going down there. This is a trench. This is a raised bed I already create. So you have the trench go around it. So all gonna happen, the water gonna basically run around instead of run through everything and wash it away. So from this side, you could come around and you can plant this whole area. Come down here. This is a whole area. This is a raised bed. Come right around here. So all this area I will be able to plant, and then I also could stand up in the trench and also tend to the plants that come in here. Okay? So right behind me here, I have another raised bed right here. What I did first, I put the cardboard to the bottom because the cardboard have a lot of carbon. So, raised bed is something that lasts for a long time. So you got to try to add as much thing as possible underneath, so that could last for years. I'm still basically making the raised bed garden, and now start working on it, leading with the water, and okay. So from this area going up here, you could tend to this area here. You see what I do? I have the bush inside of there, so I'm gonna place it with a lot of dirt on top of it. Okay, so this is the setup. I already start putting in dirt into the raised bed, digging, so preparing the trench, digging the dirt. Let me go around here and show you guys what I'm doing around here. So this is where you walk through, but you could also plant food here, and you could also plant food here. All right, so I come up here, and as you can see here, I also dig in a trench here. So the trench comes from between there, comes out here, and come away down here. Okay? This is important because if you don't do this, what could happen? Like I now explained, all the nutrients and all the manure and compost you put around the garden, the water will wash them away. So this is why I build the board for the irrigation, and I also doing in this area, I'm diversing all the water, and I'm gonna run all the water to one corner and push it over there. So to the head of the garden up here, let me show you what I'm talking about. You see, I'm doing trench everywhere. This is a trench taking the water from here. You see the trench? And it bring it down, and then it push it down there. But what happened now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to dig a trench from around here. I'm going to dig a 2 feet trench in this whole area here. Okay? Leading it down just like this. Come around between here, and connect it to this trench. You see what I'm saying? So now when from over there, bring the trench and connect it to right here. So what's gonna happen, the water now will direct itself from here, going this way, turn this way, so, and basically I'm going to push it off over there. But right now, this is where I stop. You know what I'm saying? So, this is basically what's going on in the garden now. I'm basically doing the raised bed. I'm also going to dig some bank, which is in this area here. But if I can get all this water from the top, swing right down and push it over here, I'm going to get less water going through the garden. So this is how it's important, especially when you're doing garden from on a slope. If the land is level, you stand a better chance. Okay, so all here, I will able to plant stuff here, and then you have the trench. So this trench that's inside here, in this raised bed here, what I'm gonna do, and it's also have a trench here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dig away this area here, allow the water to come through here, and push the water, come straight over here, and connect it to this one, and then push it off over there. Okay? So this what I'm doing now, gonna eliminate all the rush of the water that rush from up there, come down here. Instead of wash away the soil here, the water gonna pull itself away around here. And I also have a drain here as well. This is how important it is for the drainage in your garden. All right, so now this is a drain I have here, you see? So now it keeps a lot of water from washing through this raised bed. So now this is the trench that comes around here. So now this trench is gonna take the water away from rushing through this area. So now let me show you again. So this is the trench. So I make it like a circle. So now look what's going on. It comes all the way here. So I'm gonna direct in the same area where I'm coming with the water. So all the water gonna be leading one place. So the drainage in your garden is very important, especially when you're dealing with slopes. Because if you're dealing with slope, when the rain comes from the top of the raised bed of the garden, all the water gonna be rushing. I had that experience before, and every time I make my compost and put around my plants, it wash it away. So this is what now I come up with this idea, which make a lot more sense. Keeping the water from flooding through your garden could save you a whole lot. Okay? So this is what I'm doing right now. I'm just giving you guys an idea when you're building a garden on the slope, how important it is to have your drainage to take the water from rushing through your garden, washing away all your manure, all your compost. All right? Guys, I'm just trying to encourage you guys to get into the garden, and I'm trying to teach you guys a lot of knowledge about gardening. So you guys could subscribe to the channel, like the videos, share the videos, hit the notification bell for any video, for the latest videos. And also, if you have any question, place it in the comment section and I will answer it to the best of my ability. All right? So I just want to tell you guys, peace and love. Have a blessed and wonderful day. All right. Blessings.